come over to the dais. Shakil Ahmed. Shakil Ahmed garu. I take this great privilege to welcome one of the greatest personality who created the Public Relations Council of India as a registered professional body in his brainchild. Under his guidance has 59 chapters across the country and 6 international chapters under World Communicators Council. He is none other than our beloved Mr. M.B. Jairam Garu, Chairman Emeritus, PRCI, to come over to the dais. And I take this privilege to welcome even the Secretary of Telangana State Film Chambers of Commerce, Mr. Anupam Reddy, to come over to the dais. The State President of Telangana Union of Working Journalists, Sri Virat Aligaru, to come over to the dais. We have a very senior bureaucrat who has retired as Special Chief Secretary to the Government of Telangana, and he has rendered his service in the Department of Energy. I request Mr. Virat to come out to the dais. He is the President for the Telangana Union of Working Journalists to come out to the dais. I request our Ajay Mishra Garu, the retired IAS officer and presently serving as a Indian Red Cross Society as a chairman of it. I request to come over to the dais, sir. Public relations. I take this privilege to welcome even our dear chief guest, Chinmay Garu, Praveen Garu, to come over to the dais. We are truly privileged to have such esteemed personalities amongst us, and we eagerly anticipate the insights they will share during our proceedings today. Once again, a heartfelt welcome to all the distinguished guests. Sir, thank you for gracing this occasion with your presence. Over to my friend.
शुभम करोति कल्याणम
सर थोड़ा सा अरे यार
As we embark on this auspicious journey of celebrating and enlightenment, it is a tradition to invoke the blessings of the divine through the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. This symbolic act not only illuminates the physical space, but also signifies the dispelling of darkness and ushering in of knowledge, harmony, and prosperity. The virtues we seek to uphold and aspirations we strive to achieve.
So we have already warmly welcomed you in the morning. Though Shakil sir told in the morning that the temperature has come down. I don't know if it became 30 degrees now. Anyhow, we are approaching towards the evening. So to make a cool, warm welcome now, I request our beloved chairman Shakil sir. Sir, please address the gathering with your amazing words.
The most amazing thing about this welcome address is all the excellent and honored guest lists who are there on the dais. I only extend a hearty welcome on behalf of PRC Hyderabad chapter and PRC nationally to Ajay Mishra ji, ex-IAS, President for Indian Red Cross Society. We have Virat Ali ji, President for Telangana Union of Working Journalists. We have with us Anupam Reddy ji, Secretary for Telangana Film Chamber of Commerce. With this sort of personalities on the dais, there is nothing but the right course of way ahead for PRCA. That's what we feel about it. Along with this esteemed guests, we have got the most eminent PR personality of India, Sri MP Jairam sir with us, Chairman Emeritus of PRCI. We have got Geeta Shankar Madam, the President for PRCI, and Chinmay Praveen Madam, she heads the Young Communicators Club nationally. This is what is the guest list, and this welcome basically is more than just a formal welcome. I would say this has got that emotional connect coming from each one of our chapter members. Thank you for this opportunity to me.
वंदन है, अभिनंदन है, आप सभी का इस अवसर पर हार्दिक अभिवादन है. So what we are without a great mentor? They taught us endless lesson for our life, and such great mentor we have with us is Jairam sir. Even today also someone called me on LinkedIn, they want a membership in Delhi chapter, I gave you a number. Otherwise you have to tell me not to disturb you. So I request Jairam sir, please give his introductory speech for such an eminent occasion on 20th anniversary of PRCA.
Good evening, everyone. I'm very great. About 4 months back, I was talking to Shakil and other friends of our Hyderabad chapter. They did so well. Hands off to them. All of them here. I may not be able to tell their names. Each and every member of the I was seeing from the morning, everybody was at there. Very nice. Congratulations. I'll give you 99% marks. 1% I leave it to me because I made some faults. Properly telling you something else. Otherwise,
full marks to the audience.
Audience also. No, that is another thing, I want to tell you. From morning session to now, till now, with a beautiful dance cycle also, we are really, enjoyed every moment of the function. Thanks for your leadership, and I would like to tell you, we have to make some more leaders behind you also, and I'm sure that you will get a lot of laurels when we have 18th Global Meet at Mangalore this time. Internal awards also. I'm sure you will be in the first place because we have been looking at all the places. Yeah.
I leave the honors to you.
Yeah. Memories after memories. 1 chapter, 2 chapter, 3 chapter. Wherever we go, now we have reached, as he said earlier, 59 chapters, and all are leaders. And only you meet them in the global meets. That's how we are coming together. That's the only way we can come together. Otherwise, what happens? All are busy at their own work. It's not possible to meet everyone every time. So it's like zonal meets and other things. Other things she will tell our national president, a dynamic lady. She will tell you about what we do, how many books we bring for ladies' wing and general. Kautilya, Chanakya, and all other things, she will tell you in a nutshell. I'm very thankful to you all people. I don't want to talk much about, everyone knows about PRC. Once again, I thank all of you who are gathered here for encouraging us and enlightening us and also supporting us in all the ways. And there are so many programs, we have state awards also. Out of that, they are doing this. I can call it as Andhra or Telangana, both coming together.
For both the Telugu states combined.
Telugu state combined awards. Samvana awards they are going to give now. It will be done another half an hour time. And in all the chapters they do this, promoting PR and motivating those who help us also, encouraging them through different ways. So congratulations to all that awardees also. I don't know the names and all that. Now they are announcing later. All the best. Thank you so much.
And with our blessings. So how beautiful, isn't it, the teamwork looks like? Sir was talking about 60 chapter and all that, and as I said, I love number because my basic graduation degree is in engineering. So I thought, sir, maybe today some aspiration, the young mind over here, one day we will celebrate the 100th chapter of PRCI, and we talk about 100. Yeah, because with so many YCC clubs being coming and so many people get involved, and in India every 100 meter has different language and different type of people. So moving ahead in our program, I request Shri Virat Ali Garu to please come on the dais and give his special message to us on this occasion.
हिस्टोरिकल हैदराबाद में आज 20वां पब्लिक रिलेशन काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया का 20वां स्थापना दिवस मनाने की आप सबको मैं बधाई देता हूं। और मैं स्पेशली आज एक त्योहार के जैसा ये फंक्शन चल रहा, उसके लिए मैं हैदराबाद के चैप्टर प्रेसिडेंट शकील जी को स्पेशली मैं विदाई देता हूं और उनको कंग्रेट्स भी कहता हूं, क्योंकि हैदराबाद में एक नेशनल ऐसा ये प्रोग्राम लगाना हम सबको प्राउड है। इसलिए मैं आप सबका तेलंगाना स्टेट यूनियन ऑफ वर्किंग जर्नलिस्ट के तरफ से स्वागत करता हूं और मैं आपकी इजाज़त भी लेता हूं कि 2 स्टेट्स के तेलुगु जर्नलिस्ट को यहाँ पे अवार्ड्स देने का प्रोग्राम चलने वाला है, इसलिए मैं आपसे इजाज़त लेता हूं कि मैं तेलुगु में बात करने की चांस दीजिए। థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్। ఇవాళ నిజంగా ఒక చరిత్రాత్మక హైదరాబాద్ నగర నడిబొడ్డులో ఉన్నటువంటి ఇక్కడ ఒక జాతీయ స్థాయి మీడియా రిలేషన్ కౌన్సిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా వల్ల 20వ వ్యవస్థాపక దినోత్సవాన్ని జరుపుకోవడం చాలా గర్వించదగ్గ విషయంగా భావిస్తున్నాను। దేశంలో ప్రతి సంవత్సరం ఒక్కొక్క చోట ఒక్కొక్క విధంగా ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని కౌన్సిల్ నిర్వహిస్తుంది। అందులో హైదరాబాద్లోనే కార్యక్రమం నిర్వహించడానికి అన్ని ఏర్పాట్లు చేసి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళందరికీ సకల ఏర్పాట్లు చేసి ఒక పండగ వాతావరణంలో నిర్వహిస్తున్నటువంటి హైదరాబాద్ చాప్టర్ అధ్యక్షులు నా ఆత్మీయ మిత్రులు షకీల్ గారికి నేను ప్రత్యేకంగా శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలుపుతున్నాను। షకీల్ గారు ఏ కార్యక్రమం చేసినా ఇలాగే చేస్తారు ఆయన, ఎందుకంటే ఆయన ఎందుకు చేస్తారు, हर काम उनका ऐसे ही रहता सक्सेसफुल। क्यों? मीडिया रिलेशन पब्लिक रिलेशन है। पब्लिक रिलेशन में जो है ఏదైతే దాగి ఉందో పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్స్ అంటే ఏందో అది చూపించుతారైనా దాన్ని వ్యక్తం చేస్తారు షకీల్ గారు। అందుకే నేను చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే ఇవాళ మీడియా రిలేషన్స్ అనేటివి పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్స్ అనేటువంటివి చాలా గొప్ప సబ్జెక్ట్, గొప్ప బాధ్యతలు। అంటే ఒక్క మాటలో చెప్పాలంటే పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్ వాళ్ళు ఒక మృదు స్వభావం, ఓపిక, సహనం, అలాగే చతురత, చాకచక్యం ఇవన్నీ కలిస్తే తప్ప పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్ అనేది నిర్మాణం కాదు, మీడియా రిలేషన్ అనేది నిర్మాణం కాదు। మరి పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్స్కి మీడియాకి ఉన్న తేడా ఏంది అంటే తేడా కూడా ఏమీ లేదు. మీడియా జర్నలిస్టులు అటు మీడియా అనేది ప్రభుత్వానికి ప్రజలకి వారధిగా నిలబడుతుంది మధ్యన. అంటే ప్రభుత్వ విషయాల్ని, ప్రభుత్వం చేపట్టే పరిపాలనా వ్యవస్థకు సంబంధించిన అంశాల్ని ప్రజల ముందు ఉంచుతుంది, ప్రజల సాధక బాధకాల్ని ప్రభుత్వం ముందు ఉంచుతుంది. అది మీడియా పోషించే బాధ్యత. కానీ ఏదైతే పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్ వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారో అటు ప్రభుత్వానికి సంబంధించిన అంశాలే కాకుండా ఒక సంస్థని లైఫ్ అండ్ డెత్ ఎవరి చేతిలో ఉంటుందంటే, ఒక సంస్థ కావచ్చు, ఒకరిది పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్ చేతిలోనే వాళ్ళ లైఫ్ అండ్ డెత్ ఉంటుంది. ఇవాళ ఒక సంస్థకి కానీ ఒక వ్యక్తికి కీర్తి ప్రతిష్టలు రావాలి అంటే అక్కడ పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్ ఎంత పటిష్టంగా ఉంటే అది సాధ్యం అవుతుంది. వ్యక్తిగా నేను చేసుకుంటా ప్రమోషన్ అంటే సాధ్యం కాదు. నాకు ఒక పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్ ఉంటే తప్ప అది సాధ్యం కాదు. దానికి నేను ఆ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఒక పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్ ఆఫీసర్ని పెట్టుకుంటే, ఒక పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్ ఒక మీడియాతో సంబంధాలు మెయింటైన్ చేస్తుంది. నా యొక్క లక్ష్యాన్ని తీసుకెళ్ళి ప్రజల ముందుంచి ప్రజలను తృప్తిపరిచి చివరికి అంతిమంగా నాకు ప్రయోజనం చేకూర్చే బాధ్యతల్ని పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్ నిర్వహిస్తుంది. ఇవాళ చాలామంది చర్చ ఉంది, సోషల్ మీడియా విప్లవం లెక్క వచ్చేస్తుంది, సోషల్ మీడియా దూసుకొస్తుంది, రకరకాల ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ వచ్చేసాయి సోషల్ మీడియాలో, డిజిటల్ మీడియాలో. మరి పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్స్కి ఏమన్నా ఇబ్బందా దానివల్ల అనేది చర్చ. అంటే భవిష్యత్తులో పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్స్ అనేది ఏమన్నా కనుమరుగయ్యే అవకాశం ఉంటుందా? ఎవరికి వాళ్ళే స్వయంగా వాళ్ళు ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ ద్వారా వాళ్ళ పబ్లిసిటీ చేసుకుంటుంటే ఏమన్నా నష్టమా అని ఆలోచిస్తే ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో ఇప్పుడు కాదు కదా, చిరకాలం భవిష్యత్తులో పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్స్కి చావు లేదు. ఎంత పెట్టినా, ఎన్ని ప్లాట్ఫామ్లు వచ్చినా, ఎంత డిజిటల్ మీడియా అభివృద్ధి చెందినా అవి దుష్ఫలితాలు ఇస్తాయి తప్ప పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్ నుండి వచ్చే ఆప్యాయత, ఆదరణ, ఏదో పటిష్టత ప్రజలకి, ప్రభుత్వానికో, ఒక సంస్థకో, కంపెనీకి, లేక కంపెనీ కస్టమర్స్కి మధ్యన సంబంధాలు మెరుగుపడాలంటే పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్స్ అనేటివి నిండు నూరేళ్ళు వర్ధిల్లాల్సిందే. ఆ పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్స్ని మెయింటైన్ చేయడంలో మీరంతా బహుశా చాలామంది నేను చూస్తున్నాను, నాకు తెలుగు మీడియా మిత్రులు, తెలుగు మీడియా సంస్థల నుండి వచ్చిన పెద్దలు, బిఆర్ కెరెడ్డి ఇలాంటి పెద్దలు వచ్చారు. అట్లాగే నా మిత్రుడు చాలామంది ఇక్కడ సమావేశంలో చూస్తున్నాను. నాగేశ్వరరావు గారు కూడా ఇప్పుడు అవార్డు తీసుకుంటున్న మిత్రుడు. ఇట్లా వీళ్ళందరినీ చూస్తుంటే ఏంటంటే, అంటే వీళ్ళంతా పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్స్ని చాలా, ఒక బిఆర్ కెరెడ్డి అలాంటి వాళ్ళు పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్ మెయింటైన్ చేయడంలో ఉద్దండులు. వాళ్ళు ఒక మీడియాలో ఒక మార్కెటింగ్ విభాగం వైపు ఉన్నా నిత్యం ప్రజలతో సంబంధాలు కావచ్చు, లేక ఇతరాత్ర సంస్థలతో సంబంధాలు మెరుగుపరచుకోవడంలో వారి కృషి నిజంగా చాలా అభినందన. అందుకే వారి ఇవాళ ఒక జాతీయ స్థాయిలో ఒక ఉన్నత స్థానాన్ని మన తెలుగువాడిగా కైవసం చేసుకోవడం కూడా దానికి ఉదాహరణగానే చెప్తున్నాను. అందుకే మీతో నేను కోరేది ఏంటంటే, ఒక సంస్థ మనుగడ, లేదా ఒక వ్యక్తి మనుగడ, ఒక రాజకీయ పార్టీ మనుగడ, ఇవన్నీ ఎక్కడ ఆధారపడ్డాయి ఉంటే మూలం ఏంటంటే పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్స్తోనే ఆధారపడ్డాయి. కనుక ఆ పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్స్ నిండు నూరేళ్ళు చల్లగా ఉండాలి. మీ యొక్క బాధ్యతలు ఇంకా పటిష్టంగా కొనసాగాలి. మీరు సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా ఈ పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్స్ నిర్వహించాలి. అందులో ప్రత్యేకంగా ఈ పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్ కౌన్సిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా భవిష్యత్తులో ఇంకా దీన్ని పటిష్టం చేసి, ఒక భారతదేశంలో మీడియా పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్స్ గొప్పగా ఉన్నాయి, ఇది ఒక ఆదర్శం అనే విధంగా ప్రపంచానికి చాటి చెప్పే విధంగా అంతర్జాతీయ స్థాయిలో మీకు గుర్తింపు లభించాలని నేను ఈ సభాముఖంగా కోరుకుంటూ, ఇవాళ ఈ సమావేశాన్ని నన్ను ఆహ్వానించినటువంటి మిత్రుడు షకీల్ గారికి, అలాగే మిగతా మిత్రులందరూ, జాకబ్ గారికి, అందరికీ నేను ప్రత్యేకంగా కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలుపుకుంటూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
I will request the Anupam Reddy, Secretary Telangana State, address with his special address to us.
All the distinguished guests on the dais, the members of PRCI. I see a lot of young students or young communicators in public relations. Basically, I come from an industry where we are always in the news. So any part of our move is always in the news. So my request is to all the public relations experts here, or the public relations heads here, to please promote the positivity and positivity. We have seen a lot of negativity everywhere. Now it is you people who play a very key role in building the nation. So please promote positivity. Let's forget negativity. Negativity grows faster, and people prefer to see that. Like in many social media or YouTube sites, we see the thumbnails. Thumbnails say something, but when we open the site, when we open the channel, the news is totally different. So we are here to build a better nation for our coming generations to have a beautiful life. So what I suggest is, please, let's move positively and promote positivity only. Thank you.
Was told that PRC, and as I was telling in the morning session, that media and the PR people are like husband and wife. Okay, nowadays everyone works diversely. Okay, husband can work in a home and wife works outside. So we have to work hand in hand. And as Reddy Garu talked about the positivity, the P for positivity, P for PR. And we were in Brahma Kumari last year, thanks to Sir as well. So there, PRO ma'am has told Brahma Kumari ma'am that their chief Brahma Kumari used to Kavali, she used to mispronounce. See, that has become a second language Telugu for me. So Kavali, she used to mispronounce Chestunaru, PRO. So not program or having algorithm to talk negative. And so that is, I think, so duty of every PR person to find positivity in everything. And that positivity to PRCI has been brought by the founders of PRCI, who are there with us. So before I just take the name and then I will invite Dr. So the founders of PRCI are the 5 strong pillars. Jairam sir, Geeta ma'am, Dr. T. Vinay sir, BN sir and R.T. Kumar sir. I request Geeta ma'am to please say a few words on this special moment for us.
Thank you, Vitali. Distinguished guests on the dais and the lovely audience here and so many of you here. Thank you so much, Hyderabad chapter, for making this happen. We always say, growth is caught, not taught. This is what happened to Public Relations Council of India 20 years before. We never imagined that we would be here celebrating the 20th year with so much of pomp and luxury and so much of hard work which has gone under Mr. Ahmed and his team here, who's worked so hard to put things together. Thank you so much for that. Well, a little about Public Relations Council of India to a few to whom I thought I should be telling it. And Shakil, before that, I would like to tell you something. You wanted to start three more chapters. Yes, yeah, please do it when I'm still the president. Thank you. Thank you. I'm being a bit greedy. I would like to go there and enjoy all the fun more than anything. I'm basically a very fun-loving person. Well, so 20 years before, Public Relations Council of India was started in KPCL, and after a month I was called to join. I'm not the founding member, but then I've been with the Public Relations Council of India through its journey for almost 20 years, and every moment I've enjoyed. The global conclaves, 17 global conclaves have happened all over India in different metropolitan cities, where more than 500 communication professionals have attended the gathering, and not only them, and we also had an international audience. And the 18th Global Conclave, my dear friends, is going to be in Mangalore on November 8th, 9th, 10th. We are extending a warm welcome to all of you to join us. And what happens there at the Global Conclave, we have our signature award, which is the Chanakya Award, where we recognize Indians from different areas, from different fields. We recognize them, and there is a panel to select them, and then we give them the signature award called Chanakya. It could be in music, it could be in dance, environment, social media, anything. The brochure will be out very soon, and Shakil and the entire team would be circulating it. The next is the Hall of Fame Award. More than 20 years of experience people who have excelled in public relations would be recognized, chosen by the panel and given this, and they will enter into the Hall of Fame, which is public relations. And the third, of course, is the Collateral Award. It's a corporate award where we invite entries from the corporates, SMEs, and all manufacturing companies, software companies under different categories. And in fact, this is our only fundraising. This is how we survive. We are an NGO and we survive with the funds only through the entry fees for the collateral awards. And then we have the Kautilya Awards, which is for the youth, where the youth could give their entries. It could be on social media, it could be on poetry, music, and lots of things which would be decided by Chinmayi and her team. And we have a special award devised recently, which is called the Advika Award. This is for the women entrepreneurs, exclusively for women, and they are recognized for their contribution to the society. This is about the awards. Now, I have to tell you something about the magazine which bring out, that is, we bring out the Chanakya magazine. This Chanakya magazine is for Public Relations Council of India. It is for all the PR and the communication professionals, HR academicians, and all of you. We encourage all of you to send articles to this. And it has a global circulation, and it is sent to many countries. Soft copies are sent, and it is found in the libraries of many universities and colleges as a quick reference. Then we have the Kautilya magazine, which is again for the youth. We encourage the youth to send articles to this magazine. For further details, you can talk to Chinmayi about this. And we have a magazine, again the Advika magazine, especially for the women. So I've spoken about the awards, I've spoken about the magazine. Apart from that, we have a book, a journal called Communication Perspectives, where we have case studies of different experts, veterans. Their case studies are put into the book, and this is a beautiful reference because we find that in public relations, not much of reference material is available. Well, and we also have social campaigns. We have that Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Where is B.N. Kumar? Yeah, and then Mission Mumbai, where we did something on the people who were commuting in those electric trains and what were their challenges. Parsik Hill, save Parsik Hill from all those mud pilferages, etc. And recently, in the month March, we did this water management when Karnataka is facing severe water shortage, and this has got a lot of very positive effects because everything has been recorded and we are submitting a memorandum to the government. And well, there are many more things to add here. And my journey has been beautiful, and I bet all of yours would have been lovely. I'm just reminded of the Carpenter's song, like, you know, I'm on the top of the world. It's a beautiful song, and whenever we celebrate certain important occasions, I'm reminded of the Carpenter song. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find, because we love all of you. And that is about Public Relations Council of India, my dear friends. That is why they say professionals are paid for results and not for attempts. And this is what Public Relations Council of India does. Thank you so much, and wishing you great luck. Thank you.
My job easier to set the tone for the next item in the list. So here we are for another nostalgic moment, the Chanakya, the very close keyword to the PRCI. So we are here going to unveil the latest issue of Chanakya. So may I request the team, Neo sir, to please, I request Mishra sir to please
जब थोड़ा सा पीछे आए ना
Okay.
Yes, everybody here. सलीम भाई पीछे आओ एक सेकंड चलो राइट ले लो ले थैंक यू
We are not in the voting age, that is the 21 in India. Though we talked about not to talk about election today. So now to proceed ahead with our agenda for today, I request Ajay Mishra sir to please come on the dais and enlighten us with his amazing and enlightening thoughts, sir. Thank you.
PR professionals on the dais and before me. First of all, I'd like to thank the organizers, Shakil ji and Prakash ji, who gave me an opportunity to be here. And not as a formality, but genuinely, I would like to congratulate the PRC for the kind of work which they have been doing and growing in the last 20 years. It's not a small achievement for any organization to grow like that and to continue to have plans for future. I think I'm one of the very few here who is not from the PR field. But then last 4 decades, I've been observing the PR professionals from a distance, less or most, as a part of my talk. As mentioned by Reddy Sir, PR has to be about positivity. PR has to be about publicity, but it doesn't end there. PR has to be about projection, but much more. In fact, some things which I thought of speaking here before I came here, I was for about 1 hour before this session listening to the youngsters, the kind of information which they are fed, the kind of intelligence which I saw in them, the panelists here, and the kind of maturity also in their responses.
Since morning we had talked about his excellent mentorship to the PRCI. Now I will request Michael sir to facilitate the Geeta ma'am.
First call Aunty Kumar and then
Okay.
yeah. Aunty Kumar.
I request Michael sir to please facilitate the Aarti Kumar. Now I request Gushila sir.
Sir, look here, sir. Yes, yeah. Right, perfect.
So Ravindran sir, to express gratitude to our beloved Geeta ma'am. Now I request Gishwanath sir
Yes, yes.
to felicitate Dr. T. Vinay Kumar sir.
Thank you.
Prakash bhai. Prakash.
I request Mr. Prakash Jain to come forward and felicitate our beloved P.N. Kumar Garu.
Sir, here, sir. Yes.
Prakash Jain sir to express gratitude to B.N. Kumar sir.
Thank you, thank you.
B.N. Kumar sir.
Sir, 1 second, sir. Here, sir. Everybody here? Yes. Here, here. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my duty to remember the 11 governing council members who are responsible for this PRCA today. Some people are no more. Mr. Sudarshan from Bangalore, Mr. Rajpal from Delhi, Jayant from Bangalore, they are no more, and Jay Kumar from SPIC, and Ashok Kumar from Bangalore. And for some or the other reasons, Mr. Srinivas Murthy, Governing Council Chairman, he is not here, he is in US, and Mr. Ruben, who are also responsible for the PRCA, he is in US, and Neela Megam, he has gone for a temple visit with he is actually from Hyderabad, supported me, he is also not in station. So we are missing all these people. I thought I will remember them. We are here today only because all of these people, not only me. Thank you.
India and perseverance that has brought us to this remarkable milestone. As we gather around it, let us reflect on the achievements of the past 2 decades and look forward to the future, bright future that lies ahead of the PRCI.
To you, happy birthday to PRCI.
बार बार दिल ये गाए PRCI जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday PRCI, happy birthday PRCI.
Okay, sir. Next session.
Jai, 3 days.
प्यार से आए.
Testament to the hard work, innovation, and dedication of those who have gone above and beyond in their respective fields. Each recipient represents the embodiment of excellence and serves as us. Without further ado, let us proceed with the presentation of awards. As each recipient's name is called, I kindly request them to join us on the stage to receive their well-deserved recognition. I hand over this to my friend.
Thank you, Jacob sir. I request Mishra sir and other dignitaries to please help us in expressing this small token of appreciation from our side, so that there is a lot of positivity remain in the society. So to start away with the award, I request Mr. C.H. Rakesh, Mr. C.K. Rakesh, Chief Public Relation Officer, South Central Railway. Belongs to the Indian Railway Traffic Services, IRTS, which is one of the most coveted civil services position in the country. He has led the public relation in South Central Railway through last 4 years with excellence, taking it way forward actively in every media, including the social media.
Mishra sir, idhar dekhiye sir. Mishra sir. Yes. 1 second. Thank you. Next. One more one. Sir, yes. Limit. Campaign.
He is the director for Jagati Publications, Sakshi Telugu newspaper. He comes from agricultural background, hailing from Warangal district, and had his education in Hyderabad. He had been responsible for launching and nurturing notable newspapers like Udayam, Varta, Andhra Jyoti, and Sakshi, which created a milestone in the history of Telugu media. He is the first Telugu name to raise the top position as president of the prestigious Indian Newspapers Society.
Sir, certificate.
Young friends,
Yes, sir.
I know you didn't get a piece of cake, but see,
Yes,
this
yes.
is your motivation for the future, not the cake. So please
Right, sir.
have a round of applause. Talkie, television show host, and a top-notch social media influencer. He is the recipient of the prestigious
Filmfare Award.
Filmfare Award for his singing.
Song which is going to sing now.
For the film Magdera, which we all know, right?
Let him sing, sir. Let him sing.
So this is a condition for getting award, I guess.
Let the audience know what is the song.
There are a lot of people in the audience wondering who I am, which means I clearly need to do more PR. I'm probably at the right place. But thank you very much. I guess I have to sing for my supper.
You need to do that.
పంచదార బొమ్మ బొమ్మ పట్టుకోవద్దన కమ్మ మంచు పూల కొమ్మ కొమ్మ ముట్టుకోవద్దన కమ్మ చేతినే తాకొద్దంటే చెంతకే రావద్దంటే మాతానమ్మా ఉండేటందుకు పుట్టానే గుమ్మ నువ్వు అందకపోతే విధాయి జన్మ ఉండేటందుకు పుట్టానే గుమ్మ నువ్వు అందకపోతే విధాయి జన్మ.
Girls, are you cheering for him or the song? So, girls, honest reply. Are you cheering for him or the song?
Anuj has earned his supper. Thank you. Sir?
So, over to Jacob sir for the next award.
Thank you very much.
My senior from school.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's why I'm giving to him. Please, sir. What a day.
Very nice. Once more.
No, after award. After all awards.
After the awards.
Sir, yes.
Afterwards, all will go away.
No. You stay back. Right, okay, fine.
After the entire event, he's going to sing.
Sir, one line
Next.
hearing this award. Anuji.
Right, okay, sir, right. Thank you.
Anuji, one line by holding the award.
One line holding the award. Wow.
Once more. Let me do a PR trick here. You'll follow me on Instagram if I sing one?
Yes.
Lots of points.
పంచదార బొమ్మ బొమ్మ పట్టుకోవద్దనకమ్మ మంచు పూల కొమ్మ కొమ్మ ముట్టుకోవద్దనకమ్మ.
Thank you. Next award. Now when he's come forward, he is serving as the chief of bureau for Varta newspaper and holds an eminent name in Telugu journalism with over 35 years of experience in Telugu media. He has done his academic mostly from Hyderabad and went on to get his doctorate from Usman University, Hyderabad. He is the recipient of various state-level awards and traveled widely across the globe on international media tours. Chief editor of the popular Gawan, India's most global news weekly, exhibited the best of reporting skill to capture the perspectives of the prominent figures. He has travelled extensively across the globe on reporting assignments. I request all the awardees to
in the image building of the organization. His leadership awards at various rising and media related forums and honored the unit with the Media Ratna Award and Communication Leader of the Year Award. Guys, I know sir cannot cheer up, but you can cheer up. Why? He cannot sing, but still. The right side, I know the people have energy. Left side, I cannot hear the clap. PRCI, YCC, we should not be showing our energy. Let them. But on this side. Gold is gold, cannot be sold.
Sir, yes, sir. Right.
First, Mr. Hemant Agrawal, Associated Advertising. Mr. Hemant Agrawal, the private sector. His agency, the agency had dated back to the pre-independence time, 1940, yes, 1940. Even I was not born. My parents were also not born. is Ms. Anuradha Kishore, General Manager, R.K. Swamy Media Group.
She's passionate advertising professional with 35 years of experience in media. She plays a major role in strategies, media planning and implementation in an organization which is one of the top ranked advertising agencies internationally.
Right, thank you. Next.
Mr. C. Rajagopal, various capacities in different fields, and is a postgraduate in law and journalism and public administration. He worked as a faculty in Usman University before joining All India Radio. I request Michael sir and Ravindran sir,
Yes, sir.
to cooperate in this regard.
Chalo, bas hai. Next. Kishore, next.
Weather outside is sunny.
Hey, nice.
Sunny, sir.
Unni, come.
Fast.
Yes.
Unni, come here.
Come close. Yes. Yes, everybody here. Yes. Yes, please, here. Ready, sir, देखिए. Yes. Right, thank you. Wait. About this.
If not for him,
Can you take a photograph?
I go to Jairam sir. If not for him, this event would not have been possible. My voice has turned hoarse, but there's a lot to travel down the course, down the line. Along with Jairam sir, if I need to take the names, Gita Shankar, R.T. sir, Unni sir, then all my directors from Hyderabad chapter, Frederick Michael sir, Aparna ji, we have got TVS Narayan ji. Now there is something more. Very importantly, you have to wait. Very importantly, I need to acknowledge Madam Gita's contribution. Without her, all these things would not have been possible. Gita Jairam ji, you are the one who has lent us sir's hand for the success of the program today. If you had had some sort of a control, you would not have been able to do anything, madam. I acknowledge you. Very prominent role. Thanks a lot. Friends, if I have missed any one of the names from the national chapter, I would like to apologize, but before that, yes, sir.
And behind the YCC force, Mr. Please come. Chinmay's husband is there. He brought you. Please come.
Great.
Yeah, and
Just now,
where is,
I have got to know from our senior friend,
Shankar Subramaniam.
Elbert Saab, that Jairam sir's wife basically is related to the land of the Telugu. She is from Andhra Pradesh. And if I am correct,
He was born and brought up here.
madam, you are escaping. What I wanted to say is, you basically belong to Andhra Pradesh. Yes, that's what it is. I just want to know from that's another connection. That's what it is. नाम लूँगा, रविंद्रन जी का नाम लूँगा, TVS नारायण जी का नाम लूँगा, अपर्णा जी का नाम लूँगा, गीसूलाल जी का नाम लूँगा. फ्रेंड्स, मैडम जी आप धीरे धीरे से ऐसे जो है नहीं बोलना चाहिए आप। ये बिग हुर्रे, behind every woman's success there is a man.
Yes.
It's like this. Wherever madam goes, fingers are followed.
Thank you very much. Wait for each other. Thank you. Thank you very much. Nice. Thank you.
You said made for each other.
Yeah, made for each other.
I say made by each other. Made for you said.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Tell a joke. Yeah.
ये कौन है हाथ बता रहा है?
పాట పాడండి సార్. రంగర్ సార్.
हाँ सुना सुना.
కల్పన గారు పాట పాడండి.
अरे मैं भी आ रहा हूँ भाई, रुको भाई.
Say we'll kneel down. Yes. Come. We will stand over the ladies not Shakil sir, you can smile. I'm just
Ready?
I'm to the right.
Okay, 1, 2, and 3.
Ready, steady,
And go.
Four.
Okay, done.
Nice.